Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I got here from Botack, and it is a neck gaiter thing. Let's see if we open it up here. Oh, I think it had some sort of Velcro zip lock, but this is it here. So you can see it's a whole hooded. It's a whole hooded one. I forgot this. What I got here. There we go. So look at that. So this gives me the ability to, I can put it up here, to have a whole, keep myself warm. So if I'm out there doing anything, bike riding or whatever in the winter, I can keep myself nice and warm. So kind of a cool device here. And it's got the nice, it feels good. I'll show you guys it up close. You can kind of peel it off as you need it too. But so this is what it looks like here. It's kind of made a little bit like spandexy on the outside. And then on the inside, it was soft. It was like fuzzy-ish almost. I don't know if it says what it's made of. Let me see. Does it say anywhere? No. It says just a cycling black ski mask. You can use it for all these different things. So it's a nice one here. I like this here, so I'll be using this if I'm biking in the cold here in here where I am, or when I go skiing, I'll take this here too. So it'll be good. So actually, when I have it on the top, put the helmet over that, and so it'll be good. So, totally cool. I like this. Thumbs up.